Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're working with colored monkeys and we're going to see if we can make the pattern. So first we've got this one and it is a yellow,
blue, red, red.
Okay, let's see if we can make that. We need a yellow and a blue. And a red and a red. Now hold the other one up and let's see. Hold them up next to each other. Yellow, blue, red, red. Good job. All right, let's put one of those out of the way. And then you can take those monkeys apart and put them with the other monkeys. All right, let's see which other one we are going to do. Let's see what that pattern is. Hold it up and let's see.
Brown, purple, brown.
All right, let's see if we can make that. Brown, purple, brown. Now hold the other one up and let's see if they match. Brown, purple, brown. Good job. Okay, let's see what our last one is. That is yellow,
blue, yellow.
Good job. Okay, we need a yellow. And then he got a blue. And let's see what he gets next. A yellow. And, okay, hold that one up and let's see if they match. We've got yellow, blue, yellow. Do those match?
No.
No, let's try again. So let's look at this one. This one's yellow, blue, blue, yellow. You've got yellow, blue, blue, yellow. All right, now let's hold them up. Do those match? Yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Good job, friends. We helped him fix that one, huh? Let's see if you guys can go match colors at your house. Have fun. Bye, guys.
Bye.